Hi, this is Tim, one of the engineers here at Tubeline Manufacturing. Today we'll be going over the best practices of operating the BF8000 bale feeder. With the bale loaded on the conveyor, lift the bed no more than an inch or two off the conveyor frame. Then you can begin engaging the drum and the chain drive, inching the bale towards the drum. The bale will start being processed at this time. After the bale has reduced in size, you'll notice that the fingers are bumping the bale away from the drum. Slowly raise the bed up until the weight of the bale keeps it against the drum. Keep raising the bed until the bale is finished and you are ready to load your next bale. From bale to bale, this will vary slightly, but the concept will remain the same. Hopefully this video helps you with any issues or questions you have about operating the BF8000 bale feeder. For any further information on this product, be sure to visit us online at tubeline.ca or call our office at 1-888-856-6613.